Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how as a chemist shop owner or a pharmacy owner in UK, you can enable your customers to take vaccine appointment booking through your website. You might be aware that in UK, if you're traveling to Africa, Asia or any other part of the world, you need to take certain vaccines before you go and visit these countries on a leisure travel or a business travel. So let's just see how it works. So as a NiftyHMS user, you need to have a paid plan to get the link. Once you have the link of appointment, you can link it to your website just like on book appointment. So let's just click on book appointment. So normal user or traveler would click on this book appointment link and they will have to fill up some details, the mobile number, the name, the email ID, date of birth, the address and zip code and all those things. And then they will be adding some additional information if they have taken any recent vaccine or something like that. Remember, you can also use the weight loss injection if you want to do that. You can also use this appointment booking system. So this is for the demo purpose only. So we will take typhoid, hepatitis or yellow fever vaccines, which is yellow fever is required for Africa if you're traveling to Africa. So you might want to add the countries that you are traveling to, because the pharmacist or chemist owner knows that what vaccine you need to take if you are visiting certain countries. So we'll write down the countries that we want to visit, and then we will click the book appointment. So this is how the book appointment is booked for this particular traveler with the dealer's pharmacy, and this appointment is received in the backend. So let's just go as a chemist shop owner and let's see how the appointment looks like in the backend. So let's go to appointments menu from the left. So here we have the appointment on Bendiel Joseph, and now we can actually do assessment is there to make sure that the vaccination has been given. So vaccine history plus icon, if you click it, you will be able to add the vaccines that you are administering now or weight loss injection that you are administering now. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.